how to get coaching clients using a niche personal brand on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to go through how you can just use a small following on Instagram and another platform to get high paying clients for your coaching offer. And it's really simple. And what I want to go through as well is just the biggest misconception when starting a personal brand is I can't get clients with a small following. And that's just BS. Okay, you can 100% get clients with a small following, and it's actually better to have a small following rather than a large one. And I bet you're surprised that I said that. Okay, and it's the truth. Okay, so the truth is all you need is a couple 100/1000 ideal clients who know, like, and trust you. And you're going to get paid a lot of money, okay? When you have these couple 100 or 1000 of ideal clients in your pipeline, in your audience, it will allow you to attract high ticket deals to your offer, okay? I'm telling you right now. So I have 900 followers on Instagram and I still attract rather than chase. Okay, so I don't have to chase clients, I attract rather than chase. Okay, so what you're probably doing right now is you're either stuck in the cold DM grind where you get a few clients in the door, but they aren't your dream clients, or you're spamming short form content trying to get clients through that, but it just never seems to work. So you're spamming short form content, you're sending cold messages and nothing seems to be working, and you're just like, what? Okay, you're just like, why is it not working? Okay, but you probably have a few clients, okay, and that's great. You have a few clients, but sorry about the light, but you want more. You want to scale to new heights, okay? And there's a better way to scale. There's a better way to get more coaching clients. I'm telling you right now, okay? There's a better way to do it. You relying on the algorithm is stopping you from getting to where you want to be. Attracting clients rather than chasing them, onboarding dream clients, a consistent flow of qualified leads. Okay, so you waking up to qualified book calls on your calendar. You're not going to get that relying on the algorithm. Okay, so posting short form content all the time or just sending cold messages, that's not going to happen. Okay, but the main thing I want to speak about is relying on the algorithm. So how do you get more coaching clients with a small following on Instagram? So there's really 3 stages to this funnel, and there's an attention stage, there's a trust stage, and there's the conversion stage. So the attention stage, okay, so if you have no attention onto you and your offer, well, no one's going to buy from you because you have no one to pitch your offer to. And that's what people fail to understand. If you have no attention, if no one knows about your offer, you and your offer, no one's going to buy from you. So you've got to let people know about your offer, okay, otherwise they're not going to know. Okay, so what's the best way to do this? Really simple. Posting short form content, of course, but relying on the algorithm, as I said, is not the way to go. You relying on the algorithm all the time is actually stopping you from reaching your ideal clients. You also trying to go viral all the time is stopping you from coming up with content ideas which actually help your ideal client get from point A to point B. So you stop trying to go viral. The most important thing you should be doing is focusing on helping your ideal client get a small win so they actually trust you. Okay, you should be focusing on getting your ideal client a first small win so they trust you enough to invest into what you're selling. And you trying to go viral all the time, you trying to come up with those viral content ideas, it's not going to help your ideal client. It's just going to go to random people who don't even want to pay you, okay, who aren't interested in what you sell, who are just on social media to get entertained. Okay, so don't do that. So instead of relying on the algorithm, we need a way to get ideal clients onto our page on a daily basis. And this is where a simple Instagram ad comes in. This ad will get targeted and ideal clients onto your page who will then get nurtured by your organic content and move over to the next stage of your funnel. Okay, so with this ad, you can target your ideal client. You can literally target him within targeting options. With organic content, you can't target anyone. You just got to hope and pray that it goes to your ideal client. But with this ad, you can target your ideal client. You can literally target them, speak directly to them as well, and then go to them, which is insane. Yeah, but this ad is so overpowered because it's literally really cheap as well. It's literally $15 to $30 a day. And you probably see these ads all the time. It optimizes for the follow. So follow me, scroll through my content, and you're to learn about so and so. So that's exactly what you need to do. You need to create this ad, really simple ad, and run it at $15 to $30 a day, and this is going to get ideal clients onto your page. It's a very simple ad as well. You're just going to have to test a few to see which one works better, and then go all in on the one that works well. And the next stage of your funnel is the trust building stage. Okay, so trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something. You should know that already. Okay, without trust, no one is even going to consider buying from you. No one will even consider buying from you. If someone doesn't trust what you sell, you trust everything that you bought. Okay, why is it different for your business? Okay, if someone doesn't trust you, they're not going to buy from you. You trust the car that you drive, you trust the food that you eat, you trust the water you drink. Okay, you only bought those things because you actually need them, and you also trust the brand behind it. Okay, so you need to build up trust with these prospects, and 30 to 60 second clips does not build up trust. Okay, 30 to 60 second clips does not build up the trust needed to convert a prospect into a paying client. It just doesn't. Okay, and this is because of the 7-hour rule. And the core premise of the 7-hour rule is that it takes 7 hours of interaction time between a lead and a company to build up the trust needed to convert someone into a paying client. Okay, so someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you. Okay, and this would take 420 short form clips to build up that 7 hours. That's a year and a half. Okay, a year and a half to just convert one person into a paying client. No thank you. Okay, so what you need to do is lead people over to YouTube, and as you can see here, Instagram and YouTube. Really simple. Okay, this is the simple funnel. It takes 21 20-minute YouTube videos to build up that 7 hours worth of trust. So it takes 21 videos instead of 420 short form videos. Okay, 21 videos, that's it. And a couple of reasons why YouTube is so good. So first of all, YouTube is amazing because it builds up the trust needed to convert someone into a paying client. It builds up so much trust, like unbelievable trust. Because if you think about it, if you see someone for a longer period of time, of course you're going to have more trust for them because you're seeing them for a longer period of time. Okay, you're seeing what they're saying and everything like that. So it builds up the trust needed. 2, the retargeting is insane. So let's just say, for example, someone watches my video for a couple seconds. They're going to keep on getting retargeted by that video, keep on getting retargeted, keep on getting retargeted, keep on getting retargeted. Okay, which is insane because they need to keep seeing you to click on your videos to build up that 7 hours of trust. And the retargeting on YouTube is insane. That's why I love YouTube so much, because it keeps on retargeting people. And number 3 is an asset. Okay, so what I mean by this is, if you post a short form video, it goes away after 2, 3, 4 days. Okay, that's just the truth. Okay, it goes away after that amount of time. Whereas if you post a YouTube video, okay, it's gonna stay around forever, and it may even go up in the future. Okay, so what I mean by this is, you post a YouTube video and a couple weeks later then it starts to blow up. That's what happens to most of my videos. Okay, it takes a couple days for it to even go into the algorithm and blow up. This means it's an asset, so it's going to keep on going up over time. And this means someone in a year's time could literally look at my video and be like, damn, okay, this was valuable, let me book in a call. I may not even own a business then, but people will still be watching my YouTube content in the future, and it may just all blow up. Okay, and that's why YouTube is insane. It's an asset, it stays around forever. And Instagram plus YouTube equals a lot of money. Okay, and there's only 4 styles of YouTube videos you should be really creating. There's one which is a video sales letter, and this video sales letter is basically speaking about your story, rubbing salt in the wounds of your ideal client's pains, positioning your solution as the best, and then at the end offering your offer and offering a call. And that has to be a valuable video, that video sales letter. Attention content is basically doing everything you can to get attention. Okay, it's also being controversial to get attention. Just do anything to get attention. Post your lifestyle, be controversial, put controversial titles, whatever. Okay, and then nurturing content is the next type of content, and this content is positioning your process as the best. So go through your process within this video, your unique mechanism, your unique processes you take your clients through to get amazing results. What is your unique process? Just put a name on it. That is called a unique mechanism. And this is where you're really nurturing them and making sure they know that your process is the thing they need to get from point A to point B. The final piece of content is social proof content. And social proof content is basically content going over clients' results in detail, okay? Or you can hop on interviews with clients, just anything going through some social proof. This will build up even more trust, and proof of concept is just amazing because it shows the ideal client that you've done it before for someone like them. So make sure you create social proof content as well. And those are the 4 styles of content you should be creating. So that was the trust building stage, and next is the conversion stage, okay? And there's multiple ways you can convert attention into clients. YouTube will book in calls for you, so you just post in YouTube by itself, the video sales letter, all these types of YouTube videos. When they build up that 7 hours worth of trust, it's going to book in calls. But I want to go through the whole funnel in detail so you can see everything and you can see what converts what, okay? So green is all the ones you can convert attention with. So let's go through the funnel, okay? First of all, you're going to post organic content, and in some of your organic content, you're going to have a ManyChat sequence, which says comment the word keyword and I'll send you over a free training. This will then send people over your video sales letter, and also grab their email and also start a conversation which you can just go in and book them on a call. And then next, what you can do is run a simple Instagram profile visit ad, and this ad is going to get targeted attention onto your page, who then get nurtured by your organic content, move over to your video sales letter. Just make sure your messaging is dialed, and what I mean by this is just make sure you speak directly to your ideal client. So understand their pains and understand their wants. Why do they truly want those things? What do they truly want? Why are they experiencing the pains they're going through? And then position your process as the best process, okay? And people are going to convert from this video sales letter just straight up. They're going to try booking calls with you. But if they do not, what you can do is just retarget them with YouTube. As I said, this video sales letter is going to be on YouTube. They watch some of it, and then they're going to keep on getting retargeted by this YouTube content, okay, until they're ready to buy, and this will convert people as well. And again, you can grab people's emails and you can send email campaigns, just promoting your offer, offering your offer, promoting your YouTube video, so getting people over to YouTube, because the main goal should be to get people over to YouTube. 100% get people over to YouTube as soon as possible to nurture them. And all of this is just going to convert people into book calls, and also having conversations. So when people interact with your short form content, they follow you, everything like that, you even get inbound messages, just have conversations with them, see where they're at, see where they want to get to, see what's stopping them from getting there, and then offer the call. Really as simple as that, okay? And then all of this is going to lead to people trying to book in calls, but people are going to try and book in calls but get hit with a book a call form. And this book a call form is basically a form qualifying everyone. So anyone who tries to book in a call will have to go through this book a call form, and they have to answer questions. So you can only hop on calls with qualified people, which is very good. Because they're going to be warm and ready to pay you thousands. And then what you could also have is a pre-call sequence, and this pre-call sequence is basically reminding people to show up to the call, so email and text reminders, and also sending them over your video sales letter automatically, just in case they haven't watched it, because as I said, you're going to get book calls from all angles. And also sending them over a video that goes through all your clients' results in detail. And this is just going to warm them up, increase sharp rate, and also increase close rate, because you're warming them up to the max, okay? And you're going to hop on these calls, they're going to say send the invoice. You're going to hop on them, they're going to ask a few questions and literally say send the invoice, okay? So this is the funnel I suggest implementing if I were you, okay, 100%. And that's how you can get coaching clients using a niche personal brand on Instagram, okay, and YouTube. Okay, so I highly suggest you implementing this funnel, and if you're interested in more details about, and yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. I hope you implement everything. Anything you want to know about, just comment in the comment section, I'll make a video on it. And also just check out the links in the pinned comment. There's loads of free trainings in there, and also you can check out the links in the description, which will be to book a call in with me. If you want this funnel implemented with and for you, you can book in a call, and also more about what we do, you can click on that and watch that. Okay, so yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. So yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. Highly suggest you implementing this funnel. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and subscribe, everything like that, and peace.